Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're using WhatsApp on your mobile device and not receiving the verification code, here are the steps you can troubleshoot the issue. You have to close the WhatsApp app completely and reopen. This can sometimes resolve temporary issue with the app. And ensure that your mobile device has a stable internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data, just like this. And switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data to see if one works better than the other. And you can also restart your mobile device to refresh it in its system process. Sometimes this can resolve issues with receiving verification codes. Or if you're using an Android device, you can try clearing the cache for messaging app. Press on the WhatsApp for some second and go to the app information and go to the storage again, storage and cache. And on the bottom you could see there's two options that says clear storage or clear cache. Tap on clear cache. And you also have to update the WhatsApp, that ensure that you have the latest version of WhatsApp installed on your device. Go to the Play Store. Developers often release updates to fix bugs and improve performance. Here we could see we are already up to date. If you're not up to date with your WhatsApp, if you still need to update, then you can simply tap on the option. If you have not updated, there will be an option showing update. And by following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve the issue of not receiving the verification code on WhatsApp. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.